Do you want to enable Instagram and Facebook shopping for your account with the Squarespace website? Well, this can be done today. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, here's what you need if you want to enable Instagram and Facebook shopping on your account. The first thing you'll need is an Instagram account, a professional business one, with a sufficient follower base and a trustworthy presence. That means that you need to post daily, have high quality content, daily activity, and for your Instagram account to represent your brand. Next, you will need a professional Facebook page for your business with the same requirements and again, an established follower base. Then you will need your Squarespace website with a premium domain or a domain that you purchased with a professional design and uploaded physical products that people can check out directly on your website. And then you will also need a Facebook commerce account and a catalog of your products. Now, the first thing, let's begin with the Squarespace domain verification in Facebook. To do that, go to business.facebook.com, click on Commerce, More Tools, Business Settings, Brand Safety and Domains, and add your domain there without the www before the domain name. Then you will use the HTML code verification method to verify your website. Copy that code, go to your Squarespace website, click Edit, go to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and insert the code in the header section. Then click Save and go back to Facebook to verify your domain. It can take up to 3 days for the code to properly implement into your website, so be sure to try after 3 days. If after 3 days your domain is still not verified and you get different errors, make sure to watch this video right here to see what you need to do to fix it. Next, you need to ensure that you have a commerce account for your business and that you have a catalog created for your products. For that to work, make sure that your Squarespace account and the sales channels are not yet connected to your Facebook catalog. If they are, make sure to remove them and then continue with the process. So to do that, you need to go to Data Sources in Business Settings and click on Catalogs and Add New if you don't have a catalog created yet. Then you will need to click Open in Commerce Manager, Add Items, and start adding items manually by adding their image, title, description, website link, and price, and make sure that they are all checked as in stock. Make sure to avoid writing the title and description all in caps lock and without using too many special signs, because that can cause errors in your catalogs later on. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that your commerce account is set up correctly, and you will learn exactly how to do that step by step in this video right here. You need to go to settings and you need to set up the shipping and returns policies, add your emails, and when you have a sufficient follower base on both accounts, you need to go to sales channels and connect them there or apply directly for a shop from shops, with the option of checking out on the website as I share right now. So you will need to go to shops and start the process, click checkout on another website, add your website link, verify your domain, make sure your sales channels are properly connected and they both show up, and then at the end you can apply for review. If you run into any issues in your catalog, make sure to fix those and put the product up for review before you apply for this feature. If you run into any of these errors, product issues in the catalog, in this video you will learn how to request another review and how to fix them. Next, once you do that, your shop will be put up for review, and it can take up to 2 weeks for your commerce manager to be approved and for your accounts to be approved for this feature. You'll be able to see the status of your review either in your Instagram app or in the overview of your commerce manager. Once you get approved for this feature, you can now tag products in your posts, stories, and reels, and you will get the view shop option on your profile. But how do you make that any product that you add to your website is automatically added to your Facebook catalog and to your Instagram shop without you having to go and do that manually every single time? For that, you will need to go to your Squarespace website, go to Commerce, click on Facebook and Instagram, and connect your account there. Select your Facebook page, your Instagram account, and your products should start syncing automatically to your catalog, even if it can take a little bit until they are shown in your shop as well. If you want to learn how to create collections for your shop once all of your products have been approved and have been uploaded into your catalog, make sure to watch this video right here. So this is how you create an Instagram and Facebook shop for your Squarespace website. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess, as well as on TikTok, where I share more information about making money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.